Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a very easy hairstyle that I did on myself. I love my scrunchies, so I chose 3 of them, and now I'm going to prep my hair with a bit of hair gel. I'm just warming it up in between of my fingers and then I run it through my hair, especially in the front where I have so many baby hairs. I'm also using my wax stick because this really keeps the fine hairs in place, and with the brush I just combine them with the rest of the hair. Now I'm taking all the top hair into a half up style, into a ponytail on the top. I'm using my first scrunchie. Check that you like the result, and then take the hair above the ear until the back of the head. Combine it with the ponytail. Now you have more or less half of your hair in the second scrunchie. You can adjust it a bit. I love scrunchies because they never pull on my hairs and I don't get a headache. And with the last one, I just make the low ponytail. You can leave it in a messy bun or just bring it through and do a ponytail like I did it here. You can curl your hair, you can leave it like it is. I liked it like this. I was just preparing to go to the beach. Super easy, super quick. I hope you like this. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe and hope to see you back very soon. Bye bye!